Hi guys, in this video we are going to create Airpods Pro web design. For that, create a new common artboard in Adobe Illustrator. Then select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle above the artboard. Then go to fill and change its color to black. Then select Ctrl+2 to lock the selection. Hold Shift key and press F7 to open a line tab. Then select the type tool and type the text Airpods Pro. Then go to fill and change its color to white. Font to SF Pro display. Font link in description. Then change regular to bold. Font size to 28 points. Then select the text and place it at the top. Then align it to center. Then hold the Alt key and drag it down. Then change its text to magic like you have never heard. Then change its font size to 58 points. Change its word spacing to 64 points. Change its paragraph to align center. Move it below the text. Then align it to center. Then select the rectangle tool and double-click on the artboard and change its width and height by 77 and 45 pixels. Then reduce the corner radius and place it below the word never. Then go to fill and enter the RGB value 0071E3 and press enter key. Then select the type tool and type the text by. Then go to fill and change its color to white, bold to medium, and font size to 22 points. And place it to the center of the rectangle. Then hold the Alt key and drag it to the right side. And change its text to learn more and greater than symbol. Then go to fill and enter the RGB value 0071E3 and press enter key. Then select the greater than symbol and change its font to ITC Avant grade Gothic STD Demi. Font link in description. Then go to file and place the Airpods Pro PNG image. Airpods Pro image link in description. Then change its width and height by 361 and 394 pixels. Then place it below the text and click the center align button. And there we go, that wraps up the video. Hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I will see you next time.